The first cars arrived at this new drive-thru testing site just moments after it opened here on Thursday. As you can see, drivers are pulling up. They have to show ID through a closed window, and then they are asked to drive to those tents over there where they will be tested by a healthcare professional wearing protective clothing. This is the 5th driving testing site in New York State, and it's the first in New York City. But there are mobile sites like this across the United States now. Each one has a different system, but most require people to be pre-screened and given an appointment before they can come to the test site. New York State's first drive-thru site was set up in New Rochelle last week following a cluster of COVID-19 cases in the town. It's now testing 1,000 people a day. The hope is that keeping people in their cars will prevent further spread of the virus and speed up the testing system. The test involves putting a swab into the nose. Those swabs are then sent to labs to determine if a person has been infected with the coronavirus. Health experts have criticized the US for not having enough test kits.
Diagnostic tests not being available immediately is a real disappointment given the lack of preparedness and proactive measures that could have been put in place. We are finally getting to the point where local governments and in partnership with the private sector are able to test much bigger numbers of people accurately.
The White House says it's working with the states to expand testing capacity across the US, and it's hoping to set up dozens of more drive-thru testing sites in the coming days. Sarah Walton, CGTN, Staten Island, New York.